Good morning guys, in front of me is Phone 2 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. At first, enroll list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select system, go to date and time, and now at first you have to switch off automatic date and time, and now you can set it manually by yourself. Tap on OK. So that's it. Then you can manage your time zone, so you can switch off automatic time zone and choose it also from the following list. So that's it. That's how you can manage date and time. Whenever you want to go back to default values, actually to automatic setup, just mark set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Then you'll be back in automatic setup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.